Somebody just shot really close to us.
Oh. Oh, Remy. Fucking idiot. Oh, shit!
Get somebody? He did. I can't believe he did.
Holy fuck.
Oh, Jeremy's pissed. It's the I'm pissed walk. Oh, he got Mike in, Jeremy?
Yeah, dude, that's why I'm like, holy fuck.
Is he alive still?
Yeah, he was just shooting at somebody.
He broke their attack again.
Goddamn.
That's funny, last they attacked us, or they attacked me. Didn't make it, so they attacked the other side.
Here comes Remy.
Yo!
I got all three of them.
Yeah, we've been watching. Shit with a pump.
That's ridiculous. They must be pissed. They're gonna be targeting him.
Oh, yeah. He did too good.
Yeah, and what I found out about this thing, I can take a 15-minute video, and it only takes up about 300 megs of space. This thing's got like a 4 gig hard drive.
Nice.
Yeah, so...
I kind of think that their next tactic is going to be to assault the fuck out of me. I'm not sure, though. I don't know what I'd do if I was them right now. Be pissed off. That's what I'd do.
I'd be targeting Remy. He took out the whole
Remy.
damn
yeah,
team,
that's
dude.
what I'd do. Kill Remy.
I have no clue where the fuck Chris went.
He's over there, too. Remy got all 3 of them.
Damn. Haven't seen Doorsman in a while. He must be just holding out.
He started holding it down when Remy left it.
Well, something worked. Even though it fucking shouldn't have.
Like, what the fuck is your plan there, Remy?
I should piss people off and get a fucking censor beat for all our cussing. There'd be no audio, it'd just be a constant slur of beeps. What the fuck are you doing? What is that?
It's,
They lead?
5mm lead refill. Sweet.
Stick that in the blunderbuss. Just the whole thing.
They would not think I was very cool then. Alright. I don't even see Chris now, so that's worrying.
I wasn't paying attention.
I think it's because they know I'm in here with the blunderbuss and the AK.
That's
like,
fucking frightening. Is that thing loaded right now?
Oh yeah. As soon as I fired last time, I reloaded.
I really want to see you hit somebody in the face with a tampon. I would put it in slow-mo and replay it like 6 times.
I hope I can get Remy, even just with a chest shot on camera with it, dude.
Or it can be a snippet in the beginning.
Right,
like right in the beginning of the video, just... Both blunderbusses. Oh,
they're moving.
Action!
You got him by the partial cover off on the side. That means that I'm probably getting assaulted by the 2 guys again.
Yeah, I only know where one of them is at the moment.
Yeah, I saw Jeremy running. That's the only one I've seen. And the other 2 were over there with him a second ago, so I'm going to just assume that Chris and Mike are together. Someone's outside. Might be Remy.
Sounded like Remy.
Shit.
Me? Why do I have a feeling the only one I'm going to get shot by in this entire game is going to be you? I'm going to get fucking blunderbussed and be like, I don't even have a gun, asshole!
Like, what?
4K! Aw, they're conscious of me.
I've been exploiting that window for a little while. They probably don't like it anymore.
Where the fuck is it?
Don't put the tip of that thing in my face unless you're going to use it.
What are you doing
That's
outside
what he said last night.
No.
What is this for?
I think he totally missed the comment I just made.
Huh?
You both totally missed the comment I just made.
Huh?
He's like, don't stick the tip of that thing in my face unless you're going to use it. I'm like, that's what he said last night.
So it's not every day. I see Jeremy waiting for me over there.
That's a little frightening, and they can see perfectly through that, but still be covered.
I know. I hate that he likes it. He's been back there a bunch of times. I can still see through it.
Fuck off, Jeremy.
No, that sounded like an auto. That was Mike from somewhere.
Oh, I was gonna say, I don't know what Jeremy has.
Jeremy's rocking a pistol.
Oh, never mind. Oh, yep, now I know.
I hear him, I just can't see him. Close that one.
Ah!
It's gonna get a little heavy for a second.
Yeah, I noticed. I'm just waiting for it to be bum rushed from behind.
Whew.
They're watching that window, man.
Yeah, as soon as I started to fuck with it, I got shot at. They like to come in and shove their gun barrels in front of it.
Yeah, I noticed. I've got a video of Dorothy just going bloop, bloop.
I think I'm on the ground getting medical vibe right under him in that. Where the fuck are you out there, Mike?
I'm just kind of filming the general cover area. Haven't located everybody to film.
I don't even know where Mike is. I know it's somewhere he's in.
Is there an easy access out of here?
This door over here. Hold on, let me get a sidearm on it. This door, you should be able to step on that thing and then step over onto the edge. Just close it for me when you go.
Yep, for sure.
See you on the other side.
Yep. Fuck it. Cameraman exiting!
Look at you guys. Where's the chill back there? You think ran into the trailer? When I said something, he just back door, but that was like a minute ago. Oh. He's just right there in the middle.
Cameraman. Oh, you motherfucker. Ow! Right in the nipple. Oh, dude. Ow. Oh. Oh. I'm definitely hit. Holy fuck. You alright? Oh, yeah, he got me right in the nipple. Like, really good. Huh?
Camera on the trailer.